Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we did just barely come up and retest these highs right here. Definitely looks like a possible three pattern, as in three waves down, three waves up. We also have a possible break of structure. I mean, it definitely did break. So this right here could be the end of a pullback. We're gonna have to keep an eye very closely because now I would expect to see a push up. If it goes up and then makes like a lower high, then that's going to be an amazing entry to go short, maybe even for like a wave one, wave two, and the continuation down for like a wave three. The next wave down is either likely going to be three waves down for like a WXY, or it should be five waves down for like more like a flat pattern, like a 335 pattern. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, it really hasn't started up yet. We need to see these breaks of structure to really confirm that this move down is over, but it definitely looks like five ways down. And more than likely, with this break of structure, I would expect it to go up to maybe one of these fib levels, like the 50, 61% or something like that. So, if we do see a nice three-way pullback, a nice Fibonacci bounce, then I definitely would take it as a short. Keep in mind that a pullback probably will take at least all day today. It might be more like an entry tomorrow to go short, maybe not today. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.